Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to send a picture with friends in Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to send a picture with friends in this app allows you to share moments with multiple friends simultaneously. Sending a picture with friends enables you to include multiple recipients in your snap, ensuring that everyone you want to share the moment with receive the photo. So let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open Snapchat application. Okay, after that, here you can open chat tabs. And then you can select to whom you will share a picture with. Okay, and here if you want to send a picture from camera roll, you can open camera here. And if you want to send a picture from your gallery, then you can select this one. Okay, select a picture and then click this icon to send it to your friend. Well, that's the tutorial on how to send a picture with friends in Snapchat on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.